This is my 2015 Mustang GT, the Performance Pack. Pretty much a stock exhaust with a Ford Racing X-Pipe. I'm gonna do exhaust revs, a little takeoff, see what it sounds like for you guys. So if you want something like this setup, just ordered a Flowmaster exhaust system, Super 44, and we'll see how that sounds next. This is a before and after.